Once in a quiet little village, Sir lived a boy named Kabir. He was poor, so poor that most days, his pockets were empty, his shoes were torn, and sometimes he went to sleep hungry. But Sir was one thing no more. One could see a dream burning quietly inside him. Kabir wanted to do something big, something that would change not only his life but his family's destiny. Yet whenever he spoke about his dreams, people laughed. They sighed, "How can a boy with nothing in his pocket dream so big? Think about your next meal, not your future." Their words cut deep, but Kabir never stopped believing that his future didn't have to look like his present. One evening, as he sat by the river feeling hopeless, an old wise man named Guruji noticed him. He asked gently, "Why are you so sad, my child?" Kabir replied, "Everyone says he can't do anything great because I'm poor. They say my dreams are too big for someone like me." Guruji smiled and he handed him a small mirror. "Look inside," he said. Kabir looked and he answered, "I see myself." Guruji nodded. "Do you see the pain in your eyes?" Kabir whispered, "Yes." "Now look deeper," sighed Guruji. "Can you see the fire behind that pain?" Kabir looked again and for the first time, he saw it, a spark, a fierce determination staring back at him. Guruji sighed softly, "That fire is your belief. Most people ignore it, but if you protect it and feed it with courage and discipline, it will light your path even in the darkest night." Then he added, "People will try to cover your mirror with dust. They'll make you believe you're not enough, but you must keep cleaning it with your actions, your honesty, and your effort. Keep seeing your true self every single day." Kabir took the mirror and the words to heart. From that moment, his life changed. He studied every book he could find. He worked at a tea stall after school, helped a mechanic on weekends, and he studied under a dim light late into the night when everyone else was asleep. His body was tired, but his mind burned bright. His mirror, the dream, stayed clean and shining before his eyes. Years passed. Slowly, his efforts turned into results. He started repairing small gadgets, then opened a tiny mobile shop in his village. He saved every coin, worked hard, treated everyone with kindness, and he reinvested everything he earned. His one shop became three. Then, he launched his own brand of mobile accessories. The same people who once mocked him now stood in line, hoping to work for him. His mother's health improved. His father no more longer toiled in the fields, and his home filled with light and laughter. One day, Guruji visited him again. Kabir welcomed him with deep respect. Guruji smiled and sighed, "Kabir, the world tries to make poor boys sink small, but those who protect their inner fire rewrite their destiny. You've proven that dreams aren't measured by the money in your pocket, but by the vision in your heart. So if you were listening to this today and feel a spark inside you, don't ignore it. Protect it, feed it, because your next chapter of success begins the moment you dare to think big."